Okay. Someone is trying to stop me from finding the truth. So my paint crashed. But it's okay because I have the video and I can figure out the numbers that I have already found. I think, I hope. No, I can, but it's gonna be pain in the ass. So let's pull the formula out or some shit. Paint, come here, boy. You slimy fucking bastard. Okay, fuck off. Why does paint not have autosave, man? Do we live in the ice fucking age and we know fuck all like what's happening here? Okay, so first of all, this is the math equation. Right, this should be it. Okay. Copy, paste. Give me this shit. And we go here. Go here. Make it as big as possible before there are any fucking numbers in. I'm gonna make it a bit smaller now, just in case. And I'll delete shit now. How is sped? Yeah, this one. Paste this fucking. Okay. I believe we're fucking special in this bitch. Okay. Then I'm gonna go to the video near the start type thing. Okay. When you look at the formulas, they're just gonna. I don't even know if I want to nick it or not. Yeah, whatever, I'll just do it again, like. Fuck me in the. Whatever. Copy image, can I just copy the image? Can I not deal with bullshit right now? Can I just paste the image right there? Can I zoom in? Why is it so shitty quality, man? Why is the quality so bad? What the fuck? Nah, I can't do this shit. You have to do it the old way that I did before. Okay, bro, download. Whatever, open it here, come on. Can I save it as a... Okay, whatever. Fuck it, we start from R1. We entered 27a squared d. Right? We do that shit, yeah. A squared d. From d we go to the minus. Go to the minus right here. Minus 72 BD, right? That's how it goes, right? To the minus. Whatever, and we go to the plus, the minus, and whatever the fuck it is. From the plus, minus, and whatever the fuck it is. Right? Plus, yeah. We go to the next thing, which is like 1 over 2, and we finish out minuses. Because it's 1, 2, we already have the pluses and the minuses, whatever the fuck it is. One second times whatever the fuck it is. It finishes the minus. Is the minus visible? It is visible. Then we go to this sheet till barely fine, whatever. 1, 3 with a minus. And before that we enter the 1, 2, right? From 1 over 2 plus minus 1 over 2 to 1, 3 with a minus. Yeah, we have done the minus, we screenshot this and we go into the third part, yeah. Whatever, man, it's alright. A bit more work. Haven't hurt anybody yet. And I'm gonna hurt myself soon, like. Minus. Go from the 3. Scroll lower. Wait, did I scroll the lowest possible? Let's see how much I scroll. Okay. Go back to plus or the minus and whatever it is. Is it visible? Plus and the minus, okay. Come back here, where it's big brackets and it's plus. Yes sir, lowest possible point. Just figure that shit out from... What am I doing? What am I doing? Where the fuck am I? Ah, it's alright man, I have the higher numbers, it's fine. I need to go right around here. When it's 4 times that shit. Just copy this shit, bro. I can't be arsed no more with this fucking mod shit. Honestly, it's starting to get a bit dated. Something like this. Holy shit, it's too big. Fuck. Okay. Why can I get it visible like this? Oh, I'm gonna kill myself now. Okay, whatever. It's kinda done-ish. Big-ish. Big emphasis on the ish part. Bro, if you know, you know. Fuck it. Fuck this shit. Keep going. Okay, so let me just Windows key shift plus S, okay. Yes, yes, yes. First I go here. Can you not, please? Thank you so much. Sure, stay there. Can you see the numbers? Better see them. Lovely, go here. Perfect. It's like -7. Minus 3 times 4. Like if you do it, gonna use a calculator. Times. So. A squared minus that shit is equal to 1.74, whatever. Let's go here. Oh shit. Fuck off, man. One at a time, bro. One at a time. Big red line to separate that shit. Right? Okay. One at a time, man. And this shit is gonna be equal to 1/2 or some shit. I don't fucking know. One at a time. Okay. So we have this part and this part. Now, if you go to the lower part, actually, they have already found this. Let me check. Okay. Let me think really quickly. Okay, let's keep going. Go find the higher part. Yes, sir. What the f? Saying? 1060.9. The higher part is equal to 1060.9. 1060.9. Okay, 1060.9. That shit's like everywhere, I think. 2 to the power of 1, 3, blah blah blah. Okay. Okay, and then the other variable that we have found was... what, 1.67 is what? Do we have that a squared, whatever, 1.67, yeah, okay, have it, okay. Sure, why not? Okay, so this whole other thing... with the minus, fuck. No, no, no. With the minus. With the minus. just need to go here. I need to get this fucking part right around here. Yes. Copy. Okay. Now if I know those three shits, I think I'll just delete that part, not gonna lie to you. I think this shit can be done in a better way. Let's figure it out now. Go here. No, I don't give a fuck about you. Piss the fuck off. Okay. I'm gonna do the old fashioned way, I guess. Like, at the plus, then after the plus we do it. I go to paint. Yeah, but I cannot be arsed anymore, like. Let's just figure the math out a little bit right here. Can't I say this shit as paint? PNG or some shit? No, I can't, obviously I can't. Why would I? Okay, whatever, let's begin now with that shit. Okay. What were the difference? The difference here with those numbers and here with those numbers. Huh? Yes, here as well. It's not that bad, okay. So these signs is like minus minus plus plus, minus plus minus plus, and then we go at the end towards minus minus plus plus. Okay. Try this shit maybe. Fuck off. Okay, I go from here until here. Okay, yes sir. Can't even see it. Can barely see it though, as a thing. It's a bit unfortunate. So I have to do... okay. Let us begin first with this part, then I'll figure this shit out. Like, I'll do it from the changes to the signs type shit, okay. Let us begin with this part right here. From plus one thingy until the other plus. Fuck off, man, I choked. There. Microphone work? Microphone work, okay. Fucking hell, I don't want you know. Fucking bastard. Okay, here. Copy all this shit. Okay, let's begin. Let's go here. That shit's important. Let's begin now. In with So this part is going to be equal to 1/2 times square root of is this 2b? Oh, whatever, I'll figure it out now. Give me a second. Yeah, a squared 2b divided by 3. 1.67. Okay, so we have big square root of. Okay, so go to 1/2 plus 2 to the power of something, which is equal to 1060.9 minus 1060.9. Wasn't it minus? Yeah, it's minus 1060.9. Divided by 3 times whatever the fuck this number is. Times this number to the power of 1/3. Eleven 357. How do you do I to the power of 1/3? Hold up. Can't we say that this is A and this is A and I is B, and do it like A times or minus A, whatever. No, it's A times 1 minus I, like I, not A. And we have 3A times 1 is my man, 3, I'm not sure. Okay. Let me think now, how are we gonna do it exactly? Just equal to, alright, we can make this shit. Not for okay. For the sake of ease of everything, we're gonna set this. We're gonna run it up to 0. So it's gonna be 3. Nah, I don't think I can, bro. Okay, just let's figure this out. Giving root of let me just try to figure it out now. 11,357 /3 roots is that, and all the roots are that. 11 point something. Do I choose a plus or a minus I? Let's go here again. Cubic root of let's say we're going to do this for. Wait, hold on, what happens here? Let me just delete that shit really quickly. So, okay, go lower again. So it's gonna be like 1/2 times square root of 1/2 plus minus 1060 times 9 divided by 3 times 17.8 minus 17.8 I. That's gonna be it. Which is gonna be like what? 70.8 times 1 minus I. Okay. A wee bit more work, but we'll get there. Just to how much is 7.8? Fucking math, man. 1 second times square root of 1/2 plus have 3 times 17.8 so 1 minus I. And here we have 1060.9. Which is gonna be equal to 70.8 times 3. 53.4534 minus 1060.9. 50.3, 53.4, 1 minus I, which is equal to 1060.9 divided by this wee number. $19.9, so it's gonna be equal to over 2 times, what number did it come? 19.9. Wait, a minus, of course. Okay, then we have, how much is 1 minus I? How much is 1? Plus 1 over 2. How do we remove this I? We'll figure the i's later. So this shit's gonna be like, I don't know. For now, let's say that this is equal to this. Right or left, up or down. Okay. We did that shit for now. Yeah, fuck some shit up, let me check, huh? Where the fuck is the mod? Where was I doing the mod until now? Okay, so we have this shit to the power of 133, okay. We have this shit. Then we have done this. What the fuck happened? 1 square times minus 1.67. Wait, minus 1.67 actually, hold up. One squared plus 1 squared. Doesn't it just go to 1? Like this is equal to 1, okay. A squared divided by 4. This is equal to 1 as well. Minus 1.78. .67. This is just 1. This does not matter. Okay. Here's a minus, obviously. It's just 1, this is just 1. 1.67. Wait, hold up, how much is 1.67 times 90.9? 3.2. Let's say 3.2 actually, what the fuck? Plus 3.2. Okay, let's see what's the answer to that shit. That's good. Let's get here now. Let's go here now. We have that this whole fucking shit is equal to Right, this is equal to this. So this is going to be equal to this. Plus 13. How much should that shit be equal to? Just 13, 11, 3, 5, 7? Some shit, I don't know. Like this fucking number right here. Divided by 54. Four to the power of what? 1/3 again. Yes sir, 1/3. Which is gonna be equal to -1. Actually, talking about that shit, if we're gonna do this, if it's gonna be like this, then it should be, wait, shouldn't there be a minus in front of that shit? Something minus, there should be one more minus, right? There should be a minus here, or -1 plus I think so, whatever. So we go here, because this become minus and this become minus, there should be a plus inside actually. Should be a plus inside, because both of them become minuses. Okay, whatever. 54, 11, 3, 5, 7. Okay. 11, 3, 5, 7 divided by how much? 54. 210.3. Okay, so it's gonna become 210.3 sure, why not, whatever. So we're done with the first part. Then if you go to Wikipedia, whatever the fuck it is right here, it's gonna be the first part, as I said earlier. This plus this. Didn't I already do this shit? Okay, right, until the power of 1, 3. And the whole fucking bastard is square rooted. Which means it's gonna equal to 1, 2 square root 33.2 divided by -1 minus I, and then this shit is gonna be equal plus square third root 210 1 plus I. That's what this whole shit is equal to. And if you do the math, this is the first one, this is the second one, okay. Or is it 1 over 2 though? It shouldn't be 1 over 2, it should be minus 1. Minus a is equal to 2 1 second plus 1 second to 1 time, so there should be just 1 times that shit. Okay. Then we're gonna go on the second part, which is like fucking 8 type shit, K type shit. So, realistically, the root should be equal to 1, or if it's minus something else. Okay, I think for now I understand it. Let's keep going then. Kill myself, bro. This shit right here. What the fuck's going on? Wait, hold up. Before I done this shit, which just minus the other thing. So instead of plus, it's just minus. Right? Yes, exactly same thing, bro. So then we just do this shit right here. And we'll move this shit here. Just make it smaller, a wee bit smaller. You can make it smaller, whatever. One over 2 plus minus. If there is plus, wait, if there is plus, it's gonna look like what? It's gonna look like either minus or plus. So root 1 and 2. We're gonna do this shit. I have plus or minus 1 second though, right? It's gonna be 1 second. It's gonna be plus or minus 1 second, yeah. I think I'll just delete that shit right now. Go here, cut a little bit, okay. Make it a bit big, okay. Plus or minus that shit. So we have this. Plus or minus that, but we have a negative there. It's gonna be actually a negative here. Actually, it could be a negative sign. Okay, not a positive, negative sign. Fuck off, cut. Go here. Negative sign, okay. Let's keep going for a second to 2 or 5. Then this part is a bit different. Okay, I finished with this part, kinda. Hopefully I am. It's all the same shit. Come on, bro, I want to scroll. Let me scroll. For the love of fuck. Okay, is this all it? What the fuck? Hold up. So I have the first part that I already did. Then I have the second part that I did with the 1/2 and that shit. And actually, which is just equal to this. Like this whole thing. 2B, 3, 9A, B, C, whatever. Now I'm doing this part and that's it. What the fuck? So if it's plus, it's plus. If it's minus, it's minus, right? Okay, so we go here, and we have this added with the first square root, the second square root. Okay, this shit, whatever fuck this shit is. 2, 1/3. I actually know that. It's just the nominator is different, and there's an added number. Okay. Okay. Calm down. You're gonna figure this shit out, and you're gonna be happy. Happy, man. I did this part, I did this part. I have to keep the square root alive, right? Let's keep square root alive. Figure some shit out here. Then if we have a plus, it's gonna be a plus here as well. What exactly do we have to do here? Let me try to look in now. Okay, so go back here, and this whatever fuck is going on here. Plus some number divided by this part. 2 to the power of p 72 1 to 3, but there is just plus. Yeah, it's just the same fucking thing, but we have something else on the nominator. Only just this number. Okay, wait, hold up, I got this. So, let's check it again. We have done all the calculations, whatever, for the first part, which is this plus square root of this to the power of 3, because I don't know how to figure out shit. Multiplied by 3. We put 3 at the start actually. 3b squared something. Yeah, we added a 3 here. Minus 3. Oh, it's 3 times that, so the 3 got removed. Why is it a minus 3? Because it's a minus 1. Okay, it's a minus 1, so it's a minus 3. So that shit got removed. And this is the power of I to the power of 5, because I think it was 2 nominator and denominator groups. It's just this shit plus this fucking thing, this thing, we do this, we do that. Because it's here and there, I think that's why. 33.2. What's 33.2? It's like 1 or some shit. Right? Because it's that divided by that. Why is it 210? Square root of 3? Oh, 67. Got removed. 32. I minus I. Why is it 210? Why is there 210? Hold up, why is there 210 here? Minus B. Did I fuck something up? Oh, hold up, I think I fucked something up. It's really important for me to not fuck shit up here. Because it's the other part that's just divided by 54. Okay, I understand now. So okay, so go here, plus minus 1/2 times this minus this plus, and we just go here. There then we just 2, 3 blah 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 plus this divided by 54. It's the minus. So you have a cubed okay, hold on, I figure this shit out. Let's do this shit right around here. Okay, so I'm gonna move it like around here, and we go here. It's gonna be equal to minus 2 to the power of 3 plus 4 times minus 8 minus 8 times minus 68 equal to 8 minus 32 minus 8 times 60. Oh wait, actually it is plus 8 times 68. Five, 4, 4, okay. Which is equal to 5, 1, 2 plus 8 equals to 520. Okay, if that shit's equal to 520. Okay. Go back to this shit right here. 520 divided by this fucking shit. This shit, but with a plus. So divide by this shit. Multiplied by 4 though. And it's a square root of it. So it's multiplied by square root of that shit 4 times square root of that shit. A squared 4 times square root of this fucking shit. is it to the power of something at the end? Yeah, that shit is 54 2b cubed, and you have some random numbers 2b3 and 213. So it's 4 times square root of that whatever. Okay. Let me try to rationalize this shit now. Rationalize them or whatever the fuck it is. Okay, so if you put like normal math type shit, I don't need that shit no more. Okay, so we go here and we go root 1 or 2 is equal to 1 times 33.2 square root of 1 minus I. Let's say if we square the whole thing, we remove the square root. Cubic root of 210. Cubic root of 210. 5.94. 5.9, let's say it's 5.9. Okay. It's gonna be equal to, let's say, wait, 33.2 by minus 1 minus I plus 9.9 no minus 1 minus I, 9.9. This is gonna be just 1. So we can just remove that shit and do some shit like times 1 plus this shit of I. Plus minus 1 over 2. Minus 1 minus I minus 9.9 times 1 plus square cube root of this shit. Because this was multiplied though, it would be like it actually be like 9 plus like plus 9.9 times something, and here it will be times whatever plus 520. We do this, we do 4 times square root of 33.2 by minus 1 minus I minus 9.9 plus 9.9 cube of I square root. How much is square root of I? Cubic root of I.
With Remarkable Paper Pro.
Okay.
Сега мобайл взимам кредит изцяло онлайн. Тук и сега.
Fuck off.
I cubed is minus I. Now, don't think that was easier. You're a devil worshipper. Now, if you don't think that was easier,
Huh? What the fuck? Minus I equal to cubic root of I, is that true?
minus B.
To this video, where iota root of b was the wanted power of iota, right? And the cube of is the case, then it was ib, the cube, right? Now, the real cube. And that's the, let's call that the value, so that would give us a squared, right? Equals to that would be equal to right to the, you know that, okay, 3 the square of both sides positive, so this is the value of a, so far value of b equal to what? The complex number a plus ib, where a and b root of iota, right, is equal to,
Yes.
now a here has two values, so let's consider it positive first. Positive root 3 over 2 plus, what's the value of b? 1 over 2. So there's I times 1 over 2. I 1 over 2. Or I will be equal to what? The square root of negative square root of 3 over 2 plus I 1 over 2.
Holy fucking shit. This guy is getting a shout out for sure, man. Holy moly. Correct. 0.81. Oh. Okay. Are they 8 roots then? Whatever. Let's take this value. Let's take this value and say 0.9 plus 0.5i. What the fuck? 0.9 plus 0.5i. Zero point 0.9 divided by 2. And I have 9.9, I mean, what the fuck am I doing now? 4.95, okay, 4.95. So this shit's gonna be 4.95. This shit's insane, bro. What the fuck? Just do this. Cos size equal to something else. Okay, because it's 0.5. Wait, did I do another number? 0.9? 0.9 times 9.9. 0.9 equal to 8.91 actually, 8.91. 8.91 plus 8.91. Point nine, so okay. Lock the fuck in, bruv. That's 8.9 times 4.95. Okay. So how the fuck do we rationalize all this shit? We have I in the bottom. Oh my god, how can I even do it, man? Fuck. This one minus I. How much is minus 1 minus I? Ah. I'm gonna have a seizure now. How are they gonna work with I? I have an I somewhere. Somewhere I can't move it. Okay. Well, what we can do is we can do this part and we can grade it into 16.8 right here and right here and right here. I'm guessing we can also remove this and this. We can remove this number. So this is gonna be 52 by 4 is equal to 13. 130 then. So we go here, 130. Huh. So power of 1 over 2. Okay. And then if you want this shit squared, we find rationalized-ish numbers. It's gonna become square, it's gonna become square, it's gonna become square. Then if you square it again, everything, and they're square every number once more. Let's try it out then. Okay, so if you square it once to remove those shits right here, right? Once more to everything. Once more to remove that shit as well. Because that shit's inside the other shit, I think. Wait. Can it work? Like, how does it work? Because that shit's just complicated, man. What happens if you square? You square with when it's in the denominator, right? Denominator. Okay. Let's square it over everything, right? Let me look at the formula. Where the fuck is the formula? Here, there. It's a whole other square root, man. So first remove this one, then remove this one, which is the 4 one. The one that is like 4. 4 times blah 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 blah. Okay, so if you're gonna do everything correctly, right? First you're gonna become the r to the power of 2 8 r1 or 2 to the power of 8 would be equal to specializations. times, it's gonna be just to the power of 4. 33 point to the power of 4, show me. 2 to the power of 4. Oh my god, okay. Big number goal whip. Okay. Divided by 'We'll see how far off I would be. 2. How much? 33 divided by -1 to the power of 4 is just 1, and I is just -1, just 1, 2. Plus 9.16.8 to the power of 4. $79,000. This is gonna be -1 after the first, and then to the power of 4, not the power of 5, right? The power of 4 I'm doing, yeah, to the power of 4, 4.95. $600.4, whatever, 600.4. 600.4. There you go. Okay. Plus or minus. Okay, a little bit. Last punches, maybe. Minus. That's just the power of 4 as well. We'll go with the same thing right here. Power of 4, so this should become this shit. Copy this shit right here, but it's gonna be with the minus. And here is gonna be fucking 156. Okay, then we keep going to 130 to the power of 4. To the power of 4. Oh, what the fuck? Okay, minus, so we have plus, actually this number became 130 then, so we just divide this by how much? By 4, okay. By 4 is equal to this big fucking number, which doesn't matter at all. Okay. It's a plus here, right? Yeah, plus. Divided by this to the power of 4, this is only to the power of 2. So 3.2 to the power of 2. 1,000. Just 1,000 something. Okay. Okay. Go here. Then we have divided by minus 2. Minus 2, and then we have 16.8 to the power of 2. 8 to the power of 2 is power of 2. 282.9. We add here, we add here, plus 200 what? 82.9. Okay. Plus, and we have this, it's just going negative 1. 4.95 to the power of 2. 4.95 to the power of 2. 4.95 to the power of 2 is equal to 24.5, and it's going to be negative. Okay. Let's now say that this is root 1 or root 2 to the power of 8. Okay. And what would root 3 and root 4 to the power of 8 look like? To the power of 8. It's gonna be equal to. Do the roots have other deals with it? Whatever. First thing is that this is minus, not plus. So it becomes 0. Wait, what? It's gonna be 1 over 2 minus 1 over 2. It's just 0. No, 1 over 2 minus be 1 over 256. Times. Where are the pluses now? Plus minus, and that shit right here. Plus minus. That shit right here. Minus minus. Here we have plus minus. And then right there we have 2 minuses instead of 2 pluses. minus this shit right here, I think. Minus this shit, okay. Now I'm gonna work a calculator on my phone, so it's easier to figure everything out. Okay, so we have this shit, it's gonna be like what? Let's first figure out root 1, root 2, root 3, root 4. Calculator, so we begin 1. First begin with this shit. 1, 2, 1, 4, 9, 3, 3. 1, 2, 1, 4, 9, 3, 3. Pi by 2 is equal to that plus 7, 9, 6, 5, 9 plus 600.4 so that shit divided by 256 is equal to 2686. So this whole shit right here is equal to 2000. Okay, then we keep going with okay, what the fuck? It should be minus this. Copy. Fuck right, I'll just write it again. I don't give a fuck enough about that shit. 1 point. No, what am I doing? 1, 1, 12, 14, 93, 12, 14, 93 by 2 equal to that minus 7, 9, 6, 5, 9 that plus 600.4 equal to that, okay. So this shit right here, only this part is gonna be equal to 528 407.9. Okay, then we begin with this part right here. First to figure out this number right here. 71402500 divided by, and within brackets 1102 divided by -2, and then we add, what the fuck do we add here? Plus 2.9 minus 24.5 close the bracket is equal to minus 200,000 something. Right here is equal to minus 244,027 times, let's say 7 equal to minus 244,027 times 7. Okay. Okay, last couple of pushes. So we have that root 1 to the power of 8 would be equal to, okay, 1 divided by 2, 5, 6 equals to that. Wait, did I multiply that shit? I'll multiply it later. Yes, I'll add them and multiply them. Okay, okay, whatever. I'm fine for now. Here we have a plus 2686.4. We're gonna do the first one. This is the number. Make sure to copy that number. That's almost nothing, no difference at all, almost. Might as well be the same thing, whatever. Keep going. Then we have, if it's plus, it's gonna be plus brackets we had 528487. Two four four 027. So if you're gonna do with a plus and without any minuses, right? Root 1, if this shit is plus, root 1 to the power of 8 to 3797.57. Root 2 to the power of 8 would be equal to bro, I'll just fucking use my calculator is stupid on my phone. So I go here. Come on, man. It's gonna be a minus here. It's gonna give me the number that is math. Do math. Calculator, come on. What the fuck is happening? Actually, wait, hold up. Genius. Go here. Can you fuck off, man? Thank you so much. Copy. All clear. Paste. What the fuck? Copy. Paste. Am I tripping balls? Okay, man, what the fuck's going on here? I'm tripping balls now. Can you not do simple math calculator? Why can't I edit the calculator on my phone? What the fuck is going on here? Fucking hell. Whatever. Fuck. We're here with the pluses. What happens with the pluses? I don't fucking know, man. Root 2 is gonna be equal to Can you let me edit shit, please, for the fuck? Two, four. Yeah, I'll just. No! I'm starting to tweak out. I'm starting to tweak out. There. Fucking hell. No. Oh my god. I'm gonna start to tweak the fuck out, man. No resound. Whatever the fuck resound is, don't do it. Minus, and then we start with the other one, which is gonna be 528,487.9 minus 244. Por favor, por favor. That's 244. 7.7. The whole thing multiplied by 1 divided by 256, which is equal to 1575.2. That is if you add this little fucking part right here. Now if you remove it, it's gonna be a completely different story. It's gonna be a bit harder now. Let's do it. 1 divided by 6 equals to that. 2 minus 2686.4. We do it plus first. Plus 528,407. I just realized, man, that is a 0. That shit here is a 0, not an 8. That's a 0, not an 8. It's a fucking 0. I have to do calculations over again. Okay. Since here we're doing minus, here we're doing plus, it'll basically be the opposite part with opposite signs. So I'll just keep doing this one, and whatever the answers, they won't, will they? They should be, right? Whatever, I'll just do them again. Fuck it, might as well. So we have 2686.4, right? Okay. We start with the plus. 528,407. 528,407.9 508,407.9 minus 244,027.7. The whole thing would be multiplied by 1 over 256, 379. 1, not 9, there should be 1. 1 9, okay. So there just should be 1 9 right here. 1 9.13. 0.13, yeah. That's the first root. Let's go with the second root now. Around that's around the first root. Like plus 1 divided by whatever. Okay, so the second root is like 1 divided by 256 plus 2686.4. Yes. We have a minus. Minus 528,487.9 minus 244,027.7, which is going to be multiplied by 1 over 256, which it is going to be equal to 1575.2. okay, 0.2. So root 2 was actually fine, so just here I have fucked it up with, yeah, okay, so it's alright now. Root 3 to the power of 8 and root 4 to the power of 8. Let's begin then. 1 divided by 256 equals to that. Then we remove 2686.4. Then let's say we add first, plus there's a negative here. Okay, so 258,407.9 minus, which is plus because it's double minus, so plus 244,027.7 is going to be times 1 divided by 256 equal to 330.9. 330.9. And the next one, I did the plus, now I'll do the minus. By the minus I mean this minus right here. 1 divided by 256 equals to that minus 2686.4 minus, open the brackets, 528,407 plus 244,027.7, which is going to be multiplied by 1 divided by 256, which is equal to minus 5703. And now we just have to find the calculator. We go here. There we start with the numbers. Root 1 is 3719.13. 37.13 to the power of 1 to the power of 1 divided by 8. This one is equal to 2.79. So root 1 would be equal to 2.79, which is cool. Root 2, 1575.2. 1575.2. 1575.2. Okay. 2.51, let's say. Then we have 330.9. To the power of 1 divided by 8. 2.06. 2.07, let's say. And the last one, minus 5703. To the power of 1 divided by 8. It's gonna be equal to error. Okay. Come on, give me the I number or whatever the fuck it is. Come on. Okay, this is the I number, then this is the fourth root or whatever the fuck is going on here. Okay, so these are the 4 roots in my math. But I did it. That is probably wrong. Let's check if I'm right or wrong. 6. What is this shit, man? Did they go everything wrong? 24768, right? Minus 2.7. X equals to minus 2.07. Okay, well, one of my shit is correct, I guess. But it's the wrong fucking number, I think. Did I do something wrong with root 3? Did I miss a minus somewhere? This is the pluses. This one is the plus, let me check again. Should it be minus actually? Wait. One divided by 256 equals to that. Minus. Then we have 2686. 4. We have the plus, we go here, 528, 407.9 minus, which is minus, which is plus, 244027.7, the whole thing multiplied by 1 divided by 256, which is going to be equal to 330. Okay, let's go here, copy paste here something. Are we sure this is correct? Solution approximation strategy equation. Equation by 2, what does that even mean? 0. 2.07. We're fine with the plus though. So I don't fucking know what's going on here. What the fuck? Did I did something here? Minus 24, minus 7, minus 68. Minus 24, minus 7, minus 68. minus 2, 4 minus 7 minus 68. Two zero seven three. Do you have that number anywhere? Check. Nope. Let's go to just calculator. Math solver. Microsoft Math solver. Come on, can you try Math solver? Just the AI mod. Okay, enter a problem. Can I? Ah, thank you. Go. 3.3. I have 3.3. No, I don't have 3.3. Around 3.3, around 2 point. Can I get something without fucking bullshit? Give me, like, I'll give me one solution, don't give me a second solution, man. Come on, look the fucking, come on, AI too, whatever fuck. What are you yapping about, man? Come on. Testing for 3. No. AI math solver, math calculator. Okay, so if I go here, just paste your ass, what happens here? .30 something. Did I miss something or something, bro? 2.7. I could be missing on this shit right here. Maybe. 3719. 9 to the power of 1 divided by 8. This one I know is that, okay. Then we're gonna go for 1575. What the fuck is going on here? Holy shit, okay, well. I got one root with opposite sign, I guess. We should be dividing, we should be removing here, but it should be minus on this. We should minus this bitch right here. And this BS should also be like 300,000, 2 point something thousand. me check if the minus is a plus by any chance. Maybe I can fuck something up somewhere in the formula. So when you have the first one is a minus, go here. Minus, minus. It should be minus for sure here. Minus as if minus. And then... Is that one with the minus? Let me check again. What does my calculator say? 330 point something. This is the first one. 2.07. It have to be a minus, to have to be, yeah, it cannot not be. So I haven't fucking sign anything. It's like minus, minus, plus, plus, okay. Oh, fuck off. Jesus Christ, man. Oh, I got nothing. It was fun to go through the formula, I'm not gonna lie to you. Oh, I'm hungry now. Oh. From what I gathered, I fucked somewhere, probably, for sure. I think the issue was with the eyes. Maybe I put it in the wrong power or some shit. Maybe put the probable solutions to the power of 8 to see what I have fucked up maybe. Because the solutions was minus 2.7, that shit. Fuck off. I want to copy. Eight to the power of 8 is equal to 3, 4, 1. 3 2.0337. And I got on me number 330 2.07. Okay. So I guess when I put it that way, it could mean that the root is negative or positive. Can it? 2.07 to a power of 8, that shit, which to the power of 1 divided by 8 would have to be equal to 2.07-ish. Which number did I got exactly? Let me check. 330.9. Let's try with 330.9. 2.065. And the number given here, 2.731. I did round all of the shit up. So, if I wasn't a retard, I guess when you have something to the power of something, even if it's something divided by something, if the whatever is the bottom is an even number, it adds up. So what does that mean? That from all the solutions I got, which are plus or minus this, then plus or minus this, plus or minus this, plus or minus this, I guess I got one that could be interpreted as being correct, one out of 8. What's the other fucking number? 3.30. 3.30 to the power of 8 is gonna be equal to 14,000. 14,000. No, far away from that shit. I got 1 out of 8 possible solutions that I got. One of them was right, I guess. Okay. With a roundable degree of error. Wait, I'm curious, what happens if I put all those numbers in? X equals to 2.79. Fuck off, okay. Okay, let's check what's gonna happen here. Fuck right off. Oh my god, fuck off. Okay. We just do this? Not this, man. We just do this shit with 2.79. Okay, that is a big far away from the right number. Big far away from the right number. What if I put a negative one? Let's see. 86. That's 86, so that's not the number. Okay, that's a bad number. What about 2.51? 5.1, 5.1, 5.1, 5.1. Okay. But if I remove the minuses? Okay. So it's far away as well. Then we go for 2.07. minus 2.07. Without the minuses, let's check. Huh? Oh, okay. Okay, I got scared for a sec. With the minuses? Very, very, very fucking close. Okay, okay. I'm happy with that, honestly. I probably did it in the most inefficient way possible. But even though I did it in the most inefficient way possible, I managed to get one answer, I guess? I don't know. I have never worked with I numbers, bro. What the fuck is I? I know what I is, but I've never worked with it. So I thought I can just put everything to the power of 2 multiple times and then find the root of it. The 8th root, whatever, 8th dimension. I guess I managed to find one, I guess. I guess the other ones weren't applicable or something. But I found one. Around one. Like, around the right number. Around. Kinda. I mean... I kill myself now. Okay, if I go here... Okay, let's check if I... How if I put this shit here? Minus 8 something. How much is 44i? Okay. Let me put minuses there. Because there will be minus in front of the shit. What do I have here? 4.150i. What the fuck is I? I times I is 50 times I. I is equal to square root of -1. $150-ish, was it? No. I mean, my guesses were kinda close sometimes, but I got one somehow. So I don't fucking know. What the fuck's happening? Okay, that's... Thank you for the attention. Jesus Christ. Might as well do a thumbnail actually. Don't save. Can't make it a wee bit smaller. It's gonna be 2 thumbnails actually. Part 1. Part 1 mod. I go here, new, paste the exact same fucking thing, right there, part. Can I get a better fucking brush, man? Part 2. File, save as, PNG.